Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bibliobazar Course Market. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a paid course and converting a free course into a paid one. So, let's dive in. First, log into your Bibliobazar account and head to the seller dashboard. If you don't have a seller account yet, check out the link in the video description for a quick guide on how to set that up. Once you're in the seller dashboard, click on Add Product. Here, you'll fill in the necessary details for your course, such as the title, description, and pricing. Don't forget to add a captivating featured image to make your course stand out. Select the product type as virtual product. Since you're offering an online course, this ensures a smooth delivery process for your customers. Once you've filled in all the details, hit Save Product. Now, your product is in the queue for approval. Bibliobazar Course Market aims to review and approve products within 24 hours, so be patient. And your course will soon be live on the platform. You will receive an email once your product is approved. Next, go to your course page. If you have a free course that you want to convert to a paid one, navigate to the course settings. Change the pricing details to set a cost for your course. Once you've adjusted the pricing, set your course as an update. This lets the platform know that there's a change to your course, and it needs to be reviewed again. Click Save to confirm your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a paid course and converted a free one into a paid masterpiece. Remember, it might take a little time for the changes to take effect, but soon your course will be available for learners to enroll. Happy teaching and earning on Bibliobazar Course Market.